SEO is not technical, it's not complicated, and it's definitely not just for big companies. Most businesses don't need more marketing. They need a few SEO fixes that make them easier to find. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 simple SEO fixes you can do in 2026 that actually move the needle, even if you're a beginner. If you're new here, I'm Samantha, and I help service providers, business owners, and entrepreneurs build visibility that turns into real leads. And today, I'm walking you through 3 beginner-friendly SEO fixes that matter right now. We'll talk about homepage clarity, local keyword placement, and basic user experience. This matters because most people don't realize that search is still the #1 way customers discover businesses, and small fixes compound faster than most people expect. Fix number 1, homepage clarity beats clever design. Let's start with the homepage because this is where most businesses lose visibility immediately. Here's an important stat to ground this. So most business visitors decide whether they stay or leave within the first 5 seconds. So that means clarity matters more than design. Your homepage has one job: explain what you do, who it's for, and how you help. Here's where things go wrong. Headlines sound inspirational but vague. Businesses lead with branding instead of services. The problem they solve isn't obvious. The language doesn't match what people search. Google reads your homepage the same way people do. If it's unclear, it doesn't rank. A business uses a headline like, helping you reach the next level. That sounds nice and all, but no one searches for that. Someone searches for SEO for small businesses or marketing for service providers. And here's the key anchor. Clear beats clever every single time. And if Google can't tell what you do immediately, it just moves on. If a stranger can't tell what you do in 5 seconds, Google can't either. Fix number 2, local keywords are still a growth shortcut. So this one surprises people. Even in 2026, nearly half of all Google searches have local intent. That means people are searching with phrases like near me, city names, or service areas. Yet most businesses completely ignore this. Here's what usually happens. Service pages don't mention location. Google business profiles aren't aligned with the website. Businesses assume location doesn't matter if they're online, but Google prioritizes relevance. If someone searches service plus city, Google looks for businesses that clearly mention both. 2 businesses can offer the exact same service. One clearly states who they help and where, and the other doesn't. Google chooses clarity every time. And here's where people mess this up. They stuff location keywords everywhere. That's not what works. What works is natural placement in page titles, headings, service descriptions. Local SEO isn't aggressive, it's intentional. If you serve a location but don't mention it, here's fix number 3. Navigation and user experience matter more than you think. So this fix is simple but powerful. Google tracks how people interact with your site. And here's the stat that most people don't realize. Websites with confusing navigation and slow load time has a significantly higher bounce rate, which directly hurt ranking. SEO isn't just about keywords, it's about usability. Here's what Google sees: clear navigation, easy to find services, pages that load quickly, local page structure. If users land on your page and leave immediately, Google sees that as a signal. If someone clicks your site from search and can't find what they need in seconds, they leave. And guess who notices it? Google does. This is why simple sites often outperform pretty ones. SEO doesn't work if your website frustrates people. Here's the fastest way to improve your rankings in 2026. So here's the mindset shift that ties it all together. SEO growth doesn't come from doing everything. It comes from removing confusion. Google rewards clear messaging, clear structure, clear intent. The majority of search traffic goes to the top 3 results, not because they're the biggest brand, but because they're the clearest match. That means that small improvements can create outsized results. You don't need to outspend anyone. You need to out-clarify them. The clearest businesses win, not the loudest ones. So let's simplify this. Homepage clarity matters more than design. Local keywords still drive real traffic. User experience impacts ranking. Confusion kills visibility. Small SEO fixes compounds quickly. If you're not sure which one of these fixes your website is missing, the easiest next step is my free visibility audit. It shows you where clarity breaks down and what to fix first. Some business owners use it to make changes themselves, and others decide that they want to proceed with an SEO long-term handling from my team. Now, here's a bonus that you can use right now. I want you to go to your site and I want you to click through it like you've never seen it before, and I want you to ask yourself a few questions. Can I find my services in one click? Is it obvious who this is for? Does the language sound like something I would search? If not, that's your starting point. This alone fixes more SEO issues than most tools. If this helps simplify SEO for you, make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch the next video where I break down the 3 posts per week content system I give my clients to grow without the burnout.